Dear students, welcomes you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Preparatory Bridge Course Test 3rd of Class 3rd, Subject Environmental Studies Part 1, having marks 20 and based on activity sheet number 1 to 22. It has 30 minutes. So the first question here is, what should be done? Question number 1 is, what should be done? Mother's finger gets cut while chopping vegetables with a knife. If it happens, then I will firstly wash my mother's finger with antiseptic available in my house, generally Dettol. Then bandage the cut finger with first aid bandage. Also, I will ask my mother to take tetanus injection as a knife made from metal. The second question is, Sai wants to plant beautiful flowering plants in the yard. Suggest plants. He can plant different colors of rose plants such as a pink rose, yellow rose, red rose or white rose. He also plants jasmine flower, lily plant or china rose or tube rose. Now the question second is, join the pairs by drawing lines. It has 2 marks. To wash hand. To wash hand we can use a soap or a liquid. Second is pottery. Here is pottery given. The question third is, after cleaning the surrounding area, the garbage was collected, which includes banana peel, chocolate wrappers, boxes, dry leaves of the tree, remaining fenugreek sticks. After picking leaves, paint, caps help Vivek to separate wet waste and dry waste. It has 3 marks. The dry waste are chocolate wrappers, boxes, paint, caps, and wet waste are banana peels, remaining fenugreek stick after picking leaves, dry leaves of the tree. The fourth question is, choose the right option. It has 2 marks. Jams, jellies, syrups, candies are made from fruits. Which of the following road lights is used to stop vehicles? Red color light is used to stop vehicles. The question fifth is, write whether the following statements are right or wrong. It has 2 marks. The first statement is, there are scales on the body of the sparrow. This is a wrong statement. Crocodile or snakes or fishes have scales on their body. The second statement is, cotton seeds are called atholi. Wrong. It is a wrong statement. The cotton seeds are called binola. The sixth question is, mark the odd man with the sign. It has 4 marks. Here, first diagram is odd because umbrella is used in monsoon season while these clothes are used in winter season. In second, tree is odd. These are the water storing product. Matka and drum are the water storing product. In the next, here these 2 are the components of computer. So traffic signal is the odd. In the next, mobile is the mode of communication and other 2 are the modes of transportation. Here mobile is the odd one. The question 7 is, seedling plant planted by Sumit dried up due to lack of water for a few days. It has 2 marks. From this he realized that the trees required water regularly to nourish. You plant a sapling. How do you nurture it? I will put it in sunlight, then I will water it regularly 2 times in a day of required amount. Now the question 8, identify the animal or bird from the given picture. It has 2 marks. This is elephant, this is snake, this is whale, this is parrot. Identify the tree from the leaf given in the picture. It has 1 mark. This is a banana tree leaf and this is people tree leaf. Here your test 3rd is finished. If you have any queries regarding this test, then please comment us in a comment section. To appreciate us, please subscribe our channel and share the link of video. We will meet in the next video. Till be safe.